Alright y'all, what is going on? We're out here with my buddy Greg from Snookside Charters. We're going out here for whatever bites. If you guys want to book a charter with Greg, I'll leave his information down below. He has his finger on the pulse every single time of the year. If you guys are new to the channel and you like what you're seeing, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Like the video, comment, share, do all that good YouTube stuff. Let's go. You could get flounders because some dude up on the jetty caught it. There's one. Feels like a jack. Oh, heck yes, boys. First fish is a small snook. It's a keeper all day, right, Greg? That's like a 40, I think. Ooh. Ooh. Get him. How's he feeling? No, it's a red. See, you catch everything with Captain Greg. Yes, sir.
You need a trout now.
To get a trout, we got that slam. Dude, imagine if you could keep reds here. Oh my, that's the perfect one to keep too.
Nice little guy.
Yeah, if y'all didn't know, right now, what is it, in Indian River in Bavard, you cannot keep redfish anymore. Like, that would be the perfect red to eat, especially out here in the ocean, but you know.
Gotta let him go.
Gotta let them go. It happens. Make bigger ones for us. Or make more. Yeah, this live well is nice. Yeah. You get hit? There you go, dude.
Better fish.
Greg's up, hooked up.
Not fighting like a jack.
Not fighting like a jack? That's good. Nice little drag string you like.
Marking them straight. Look at, dude, there's you drop it straight down like a stack number.
Could be a slot snook too. Hang on. Oh, I got one too. Oh, we got a double up here. We're good. We're doing. Oh, you good? Yeah. Oh no, the hat. We get the hat. How are we doing this here? We got two of them on.
They're wrapping each other.
Yep.
Oh boy.
I don't know how I get it. Huh?
We go
Under? Oh, we're good. How did that happen? Oh, sorry, Greg.
It's all good.
Get your hat now. I see it. I don't know what mine is. If it's another jack, I swear.
That was a nice red. Oh well.
Sorry, Greg.
You're good. Where'd my hat go?
It's another red. Yes, sir. It's a good red. You want to get them? Here, do you want to net this thing for me real quick? Appreciate it.
You get my hat back.
Let me get him out so we can get his. Yeah. All right.
Oh, we almost had a double up.
We almost had a double up. That was my fault, but nice little red. We're gonna throw him back in. Yeesh. See you later, bud. There you go. Oh God, dude, that's a good fish. What's he feeling like, a red? You set the hook. You set the death on that thing. Come on, Captain. We're getting her in?
We're getting her in.
I'm so used to fishing up there where you have to get them in quick.
Nah, take your time out here.
Yep. You good?
Yeah, you go.
Yeah. Woo! Get him. He's gonna be 28. I'm calling it right now, 28.
I hope you're right.
Huh?
I hope you're right.
Where's he at? Oh yeah, he's good. He's slot all day. Bring him in. Boom! And you catch slots. He might.
I'll measure him.
That's all you if it is.
Yeah, I'm not keeping him, so if you want him.
No, I'll catch my own. I like catching my own. Let's see, I say he's 28 on the dot. Oh my, 20. No, that's not fair.
I was gonna keep him anyway.
No, bro, that's some BS right there. That's crazy.
27.9.
27.99 that thing was. What were they, like 31? Yeah, this feels good. Yes, sir. Huh?
That's Mr. Snooky, right?
That is Mr. Snooky.
See that now?
I think we should wait just to see. Oh, he's coming up. Oh, yes. He might. Maybe. Mullet. Little.
You what?
What do you think? Ah, come back, come back. Come back. Oh, that's a slot. That's a slot.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Let's see.
Going straight.
0.
Yeah, it's no doubt.
No doubt.
29.5.
29.5, people. Almost 30, but 29.5. It's going home. See? He gets you on keepers. Dude, look at the mullet up there. Do you see them all getting busted?
Yeah.
There you go. I saw that. Woo. Gonna have to go around.
Yeah, they're under us. I really didn't even have them dropping straight now.
Get a double. Show him to the camera. Don't be shy now. Oh, okay, maybe not.
Nice little snook.
Nice little snooky.
Not quite slot.
Oh, almost fell right in. Yeah, not quite slot.
There you go.
Yeah, I'm letting him eat it.
Got it.
There's a fish. Yes, sir. You saw him thump that?
Yeah.
That was a big thump. No, it's Mr. Snook.
Edible snook.
No, I got him.
That snook looks.
Nice little snooky. Alright, y'all, that's going to do it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Filming off my phone right now. The quality is going to be a little bit better. This can actually shoot 4K. Also, my big camera broke. So right now, and for the near future videos, I am just going to be using my phone and my GoPros. So if you guys notice a quality difference, hopefully you'll notice a quality difference. That's the reason. It was a great video. We got on some great fish. I caught my slot. Greg caught a slot, but he decided to throw his back. If you guys want to go book Greg for a charter at the Inlet, I'll leave his information all in the description below, his Instagram, where you could message him to book a charter, all that good stuff. Great guy, and he will put you guys on some good fish. That's going to do it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Please like, subscribe, comment, share, turn on post notifications, do all that good YouTube stuff. I'll see you guys in the next episode. Peace out.